Cordial greetings. God bless you. Welcome to English 3 Speaking, Unit 2, Task 4. I introduce myself, Diana Carolina Maldonado. I belong to the group 306. Tutor Miguel Ángel Malaver. I'm studying in the UNAT University, UNAT. In this moment, I student system engineer. The past activity, the past task, reading a letter. When to express the disagreement with the company a product, respect the place where to put in and that is located in the municipality of Suacha. Because I see how the air we breathe in being contaminated with common problems of health because to presence and proliferation of mosquitoes. All the place is contaminated with this plague. And with the letter to inform to authorities of Minister of the Environment, because it is very important to verify what happened with the plant. In this picture, evidence of the place, and this is the map of location of Suacha, the water treatment map of Suacha. This picture, excellent. We can see a place where is near of the residence, near the building, near the complex of where with many inhabitants. In this photography, we'll see the installations, and around we are the building. Many people live here around, and this place is where process the water and coming many mosquitoes. And to propose of solution, the NESAF propose of solution for reduce the insect pests that we don't affect more the society, the person that live in this place and that live around the residence buildings or complex. And in this moment I to give two proposals. One, grow the water treatment plants and suggest to put in a malla around the sun for reduce the level of mosquito, and that place is closed around with the malla. And the second proposal is the apartments to install a malla too. We to see in this photography in the windows of every apartment to install malla too, for reduce the intrusion of the insect pests. And 3, foliate It's very important that buildings can fumigate frequently during their stay, in the garden, in the garage, in the parking, where parking car, and the zone of deposit the trash. And for and propose, there are create campaigns. Create campaigns every week. No one day or one day to the years. It is very important. Do it every week, where fighting mosquitoes can infect the human with a pit. It's the four purpose that I have to go for reduce the mosquito. Thanks. Goodbye.